Welcome to some more hybrid animals. I have hiccups, so this is going to be very difficult to speak. Yay! Yay! Hiccups are bad, please. You want to start off making the bighorn ape. Then you want to fuse the bighorn ape with the African buzzer. Then you need to make the mutant buzzer. Then you need to grab a squirrel and a frog. My hiccups are actually bad, so it's gonna be very hard. Then you fuse out the bighorn ape. Then you fuse the mutant ape with the the African buzzer and make the furry god. So, well, that's the end of the video, so bye.